Computer software: a set of programs or a set of instructions and applications used to manage and control various functions of a device such as computer. Software tells the computer system what to display on the user's screen, what kind of input to take from the user, and what kind of output to generate. Software also controls and operates computer hardware to perform a task. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software is a set of one or more programs that are basically designed to control and manage the operation of a computer system. It makes the operation of the computer system more effective and efficient. System software deals with the physical complexities of computer hardware and provides the environment for executing application software. Purpose of system software: to provide basic functionality of the computer, to control computer hardware, to act as an interface between user, application software, and computer hardware. Types of system software: operating system, utility software, language translator, and device driver. Operating system: a system software which controls and coordinates all and manages the overall operations of a computer system. Every computer must have operating system software which takes care of the effective and efficient utilization of all the hardware and software components of the computer. The operating system is installed in the C drive of the hard disk and loaded into the computer memory, that is RAM, when the computer is started. Examples of OS are Windows XP, 7, 10, Linux, Unix, MS-DOS, Mac OS, etc. Functions of operating system: memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security. Device driver: a system software that controls a particular type of device attached to a computer. Whenever a new device is added to a computer system, a new device driver must be installed before the device can be used. Utility software: a system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, and maintain the computer. It performs a specific task related to the management of computer functions, resources or files as password protection, memory management, virus protection, and file compression. The main objective of utility software is the smooth functioning of computer system. Performs day-to-day tasks related to the maintenance of the computer system. Examples of utility software: antivirus software like Kaspersky, Avast; backup software like Nova Backup Professional or Shampoo Backup Pro; encryption tools like Versascript, BitCocker; file compression tools like WinZip, WinRAR; disk utilities like DiskDefrag or WinDiastat. Language translator: a computer program that converts the programming instructions written in programming language into machine codes that computer understand and process. The translating programs are loaded into the computer's memory at the time of translation process, also known as language processor or language translator program. There are three types of language translator: assembler, compiler, interpreter. Assembler. Assembler is a computer program that translates the assembly language into machine program. The assembler takes the source program as input, translates it into the object program, and the object program is given as the output. The assembly language program is called the source program, and machine program is called the object program. Compiler: a computer program that translates a high-level language program into machine code in a single operation. The compiler treats source program instruction as data. It reports all the errors of the program along with the line numbers. After all the errors are removed, the program is recompiled and an executable file is made which is compiler independent. Examples of compilers are C, C++, Fortran, etc. Interpreter: a computer program that translates program written in high-level language into machine language line by line. If any error in any line, it is reported to the user and the execution of the program is stopped. It is easier to use and require less storage space. Examples of interpreter: QBasic, Python, etc. Difference between compiler and interpreter. Compiler translates each statement at a time. Interpreter translates each statement at a time. Compiler translates whole program at once. Interpreter does not create the object file. Compiler creates the object file after compilation. Interpreter displays each error at a time so debugging is easier. Compiler displays all errors at a time so debugging becomes complex. Interpreter must reside in the memory while the program is interpreted and executed, whereas compiler an executable file can be created made which can be carried to any computer and can be executed without the compiler. Application software: a computer software designed to help the user to perform single or multiple related specific tasks. It is used to type email, edit photos, prepare presentations, listen to music, edit videos, produce bills, etc. Examples: MS Word, web browsers, games, etc. Types of application software: packaged software and customized or tailored software. Package software: a generalized set of programs that allows the computer to perform specific data processing job for the user. They are user-friendly and designed for use in more than one environment. They are developed for general users to perform generalized tasks. They cannot be modified as per user requirements. They are costlier and easily available in the market. Examples: MS Word, Excel, Photoshop, Maya, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Customized software is a software developed to meet the specific requirements of a particular person, institution, or organization. It can be modified as per the user requirements. They are used in schools, hotels, hospitals, etc. for performing specific tasks like account administration, etc. Examples: SE, result processing software, telephone bill processing software, etc. Open source software: a software whose source code is available and can be customized and altered within the specific guidelines laid down by the creator. Open source softwares are freely available softwares and source code is also free of cost. They are also known as free software. It has the restriction on their use and modification, redistribution limitation, and copyright. Examples: Linux, Apache, OpenOffice, etc. Proprietary software versus open software. Operating system: proprietary software Windows 8 or 10, open source software Linux, Office package Microsoft Office, LibreOffice, Apache Office, photo editing in proprietary Adobe Photoshop, in open source GIMP, web browser proprietary software Microsoft Edge, open source software Mozilla Firefox, email client proprietary software Microsoft Outlook 2016, open source software Thunderbird. Database management proprietary software Oracle MS SQL Server, open source software MySQL. Advantage of open source software: it is free and no need to pay for using it. It is valuable learning opportunity for programmers. They can learn and apply skills to the most popular programs available today. more secure than proprietary software because bugs are identified and fixed quickly. The companies using open source software do not have to think about complex licensing models and do not need anti-piracy measures like product activation or serial number. Desktop app. Desktop application is a computer program that runs locally on a computer device like a desktop or a laptop. Okay, this desktop app and mobile web app I'll discuss in another part. Thank you very much.